Okay, getting ready to head out for a search and recovery dive. Last night, somewhere out here, I lost my backup camera and strobe. It was clipped off as a backup. About 45 minutes of my dive, I noticed it was missing. So, crossing our fingers and hope we can find it today. So I lost the whole camera setup. It was a GoPro Hero 4, the tray, the light, a whole camera setup. Just like that one. It just hangs here on this clip. So somehow it came off this clip. Today's mission is to find the camera and strobe, so wish me luck.
Good luck.
Here we go. Woohoo! Found it! Yes! On my second pass. Went that way for 10 minutes. Came back, second pass I found it. Right when I was about to give up. I was going to work 2 more passes, but right when I thought I wasn't going to find it, I found it.
Awesome.
Okay, we got our in and out post-dive celebration. When we get home, I'm going to do some post-dive analysis, figure out how this thing came unclipped.